So we're just going to show you what we've found so far. So concentrating on the driver's door, we've got the lever bar down the outside. We're just going to pour some water down the back, so it should simulate that it's coming out the bottom of the door, which it is doing. But if we look closely, we can see that the water's coming out from the top of the door membrane. And then what's that then going to do is it's going to then simulate falling on here and then coming straight down into the footwells. Coming onto the back, we're going to focus on the back bumper here. I'm going to have to turn the camera upside down, so if I just quickly get us upside down. So what we're going to do is I'm going to pour a bit of water down in this area here, and as I'm pouring, if I put you inside here and we're looking at that little white clip there, and you should see, there we go, so we've got ingress of water on that clip there as well, so that's coming into the boot area. And then what it would then do is it would slowly filter out. We can see that there's a bit of wetness there, and it slowly filters out, and then we'll go into the spare wheel holder. Okay, now coming around to the rear sunroof drain. It's a little bit tricky because it's a bit tight in there. So let me just quickly get this sorted out a second. Right, okay, so we've got the drainage system down here. We can see that it's full of leaves down here. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of water. We're going to put a bit of water down in this little gully here, which then will take it down to that bottom drainage system. So if we put loads of water in there, okay, and then go underneath the car, we can see that there's none emptying out on the driver's side. If we now come round to the passenger side and simulate the same thing, so we can see the holes down the bottom here. So if we put some water just down in this little hole here, so we'll squeeze loads of water through there. Okay, so we've got signs of water coming out of this side. So that's most of the leaks, and then what we're going to do is we're going to put hose across the front, and we're going to show you the other two leaks we've found as well.